Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best marine power distribution blocks on the market. If you're into boats, RVs, or solar setups, this product might just be what you need to keep things running smoothly. Introducing the RVBOATPAT power distribution block, designed to handle your electrical needs with ease. Whether you're upgrading your boat's electrical system or setting up a new solar array, this distribution block ensures reliability and efficiency. Let's talk about why this product stands out. It's built tough with a thick tin copper plate busbar, ensuring durability and safety. The base is crafted from high-quality ABS material, making it mechanically strong, heat-resistant, and flame-resistant, perfect for marine environments. Inside the package, you get everything you need for installation. 12 stainless steel M4 terminal screws, 1x4 terminal stud with nuts, and 24 terminals. It's designed for easy wiring, keeping your circuits neat and reducing the risk of shorts. Now, where can you use this? It's versatile, ideal for boats, caravans, RVs, and even solar systems. Whether you're a weekend sailor or a full-time RV enthusiast, having a reliable power distribution block is essential for managing your electrical connections. One of the standout features is its ability to handle up to 150 A of continuous current at 48 volts DC, ensuring it can meet the demands of most applications. Plus, it comes with red and black covers for positive and ground terminals, keeping everything organized and safe. So, if you're looking to upgrade your marine or automotive electrical setup, consider adding the RVBOATPAT power distribution block to your toolkit. It's a solid investment that ensures your electrical systems run smoothly for years to come. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and tech insights. Until next time, stay powered up.